Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, May 26th, and for Memorial Day we have a great quilt kit to share with you. This quilt was made by our own Stephanie Eubanks, and I'll bring it over here and tell you all about it. Oh, let's see. On this Memorial Day, we remember the sacrifices of many and honor those who have served. Thank you for your service. Today we're sharing the 1776 kit with the sample made by our own Stephanie Eubanks. This would be perfect for a picnic on all patriotic occasions. We have a limited number of kits available, so act fast if you love the quilt. And then we also have the pattern that is sold separately, just a $2 pattern from Villa Rosa, so you can see how that looks with different fabrics on it. And as a reminder, we are open today, 10 to 5, and today is the last day of our Welcome Summer sale because, as we all know, here in the South, summer is officially starting as of Memorial Day. So the whole shop, most of the shop, 99% of the shop is 20% off. So that will go through midnight tonight online. And if you are an online friend of ours, the code is Welcome Summer, all one word, and that will get you your 20% discount. Again, we are glad that you are a part of our quilting world, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.